Nothing to it. Whoopsie. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Nothing to It. I'm your host, the Tulip Guy, and today we're going to be watching outtakes, bloopers, and mistakes that I've made while trying to create content for this channel. To keep this video family friendly, I've removed content where I'm cursing and swearing during my mistakes. What I have added in are some funny outtakes and visible frustrations over the course of filming Nothing to It. I hope you get a kick out of these videos, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Lots of noise. Sink water. My voice. Coming at you right now on the next episode of Nothing to It. Is your sink slowly draining like this one? Long hair, beard hair, soap scum, toothpaste spit, kids' toys, foreign objects. Maybe you thought you'd be the cool dad to give your kids some. Damn it. It's potty time at Nothing. My shadow's in the way. I don't know why they like those Ring cameras. It's potty time at All right, but a couple of last minute things I'd like to point out to you guys. Usually, a couple of last minute things I'd like to point out to you guys. Why can't I get the wording right? You're hopefully clearing that clog. You're going to end up with an overflowing watery mess that your toilet, Stop. Unclogged. The last thing you want is a whole messy overflow of water getting onto your bathroom floor, making it a much harder task to Try to be gentle with it. The last thing you want is to be forcing that thing in too hard and possibly cracking your porcelain. And it's just not going to be the same brush you intend to use at a later date. This concludes today's episode of Nothing to It. I was ready for it too. I was ready for it. Which is the angle of your saw blade. In order to make a 90 degree and there's some height adjustment. In this case, it's not revealing very much of the blade. In order for us to cut the laminate, we're going to want to reveal as much of that as possible so that we have as much blade exposed for cutting through this back wall on the laminate. As you see on the saw, there's some knobs in different places. It'll help with the angle of your stuff is not going well today. And remember, there's nothing to it. That sucked. Welcome back to another episode of Nothing to It. I'm your host, the Tulip Guy, and today we're doing a continuation. Continuation? Quit stuttering, fool. Until it crests it. Once you're over top of it, keeping your circular saw above, butted up against lines. I know how movie stars feel. At the exact same spot that your circular saw had cut through. Once you've located where that needs to go, you'll take your other piece, you'll clamp and screw that on the other side, biting against the saw blade opposite side. And you're either going to screw or clamp it. Ugh. Redo! This concludes today's episode on how to cut a 45-degree angle. Welcome back to Nothing to It. I'm your host, the Tulip Guy, and Welcome back to Nothing to It. Welcome back to Nothing Tool It. I'm your host, the Tool It Guy, and we're about to... Jesus. Where's the lines? Lines! Broom. Simply walk across it, dusting it all off, folding it in incremental amounts, just as you would need to put it away. I have a little sack of mine. You can now grab your halyard, the slight incline towards the house, you can pull it up. Of course my arm was in the way there. Way they don't fall out. And for these smaller ones, like the washers, I cut this little V here. That way all you have to do is slide one up to the top. Pops out without fumbling everywhere. Mistake number 2. The hardware package. I know it's very easy. Mistake number 3, and that is reading the Just a little side note for the construction of this desk. They actually give you a reasonable sized Allen key, both with the little ball on the end and the short shaft area. Does your garden look like this? It's a season's worth of neglect, construction. The Tool It Guy, and welcome to my yard. My first attempt at gardening failed badly. Rodents kept eating my new plants, then my second attempt was this eyesore. Although it kept rodents out, my garden fence literally sucked. Wire type, wood type, plastic, whatever it is you might want or need, go for it. Mine in particular is the go around. Keep securing it to the corners. What you're going to need for this is 4 corner posts. 6 long pieces, 6 short pieces, and a bunch of spare deck screws. God. Testing out the audio for the video. Gonna make a burger video. Lots and lots of spices, lots and lots of liquids, lots of stuff for mixing. Here are things for fixins. Testing out the audio on the video. To keep it family. Why do I keep saying family? To keep it family friendly. Try again. Get your thoughts right. Hello everybody and welcome back to Nothing Tool It. I'm your host, the Tool It Guy, and man, the lawnmowers in this neighborhood are insane. I'm in my own house and I can still hear the lawnmowers. I can hear it. The microphone can hear it. I'm trying to make a video. Cut it out, please. That concludes today's episode of Bloopers with the Tulip Guy. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and always remember, there's nothing to it.